Prepare to be amazed as we journey into the world of birds that defy stereotypes and exhibit remarkable courage. While some birds exude grace and tranquility, others challenge the norm by fearlessly taking on dangers that would make even the bravest hesitate. Join us in uncovering the audacious side of these seemingly innocent creatures. Birds are known for their diverse behaviors and characteristics, but some go above and beyond, showcasing astonishing fearlessness. In this exploration, we'll meet birds that prove courage knows no bounds, from aggressive defenders to predators of astonishing prowess. I'm Michael Jordan, and you're about to witness the incredible feats of some of the world's most fearless birds. Cardinals may appear peaceful, but beneath their tranquil exterior lies a fierce defender of territory. With an innate sense of ownership, cardinals aggressively protect their space, often clashing with other birds attempting to encroach. Even their reflections in windows trigger intense battles, showcasing their competitive spirit. Appearances can be deceiving, as demonstrated by the blue jay. While its small size and beautiful plumage suggest innocence, this bird's poisonous nature sets it apart. The blue jay's toxicity deters even larger birds as it fiercely defends its territory and its venom-laden presence. Meet the cassowary, the world's most dangerous bird. Renowned for its aggression, this flightless avian can deliver fatal blows with its sharp beak and pointed claws. With a reputation for attacking humans and swift speeds of up to 50 km/h, encountering a cassowary requires caution. Vultures are known for scavenging carcasses, but the griffon vulture's audacity extends to attacking live animals. On a farm, these vultures confronted cattle, challenging even larger creatures. Their swift consumption of entire carcasses in just 45 minutes highlights their prowess. Meet the Picano, a small bird with a ferocious reputation. Despite its diminutive size, this avian aggressor fearlessly takes on prey, ranging from insects to reptiles. Its sharp beak, reminiscent of a hook, inflicts significant damage. Meet the steel, a fearless bird that calls the Northern Hemisphere home. Unmatched in courage, this bird's hunting strategy involves launching surprise attacks on prey. Its relentless pursuit of hares and rabbits makes it a formidable presence in dense forests and isolated regions. The great-eared owl, a nighttime predator, commands respect with its size and hunting prowess. Operating under the cover of darkness, this bird surprises its prey, relying on sharp claws and beak to secure its meals. Its unmatched agility and surprise attacks make it a force to be reckoned with. The bearded vulture defies convention by consuming bones and marrow. Ingeniously, it drops bones from heights to crack them open and access the nutrients inside. This peculiar behavior showcases the vulture's audacity and specialization as a bone-eating marvel. Beware the deceptive charm of the hoopoe. While its appearance may be alluring, this bird carries a secret weapon. Its feathers and skin contain poison. Unassuming creatures may fall victim to its potent venom, making the hoopoe one of nature's unassuming yet deadly warriors. Swans are often seen as serene and graceful creatures. Watch as these seemingly friendly swans transform into formidable defenders, attacking anyone who comes too close to their vulnerable younglings. The ostrich, Earth's largest bird, embodies unparalleled courage. Standing up to predators instead of fleeing, this giant bird demonstrates its fearlessness by intimidating even big cats. In this encounter, a cat retreats in the face of the ostrich's unyielding demeanor, showcasing the avian giant's audacity. Behold the golden eagle, a symbol of predatory prowess. With keen eyesight, capable of spotting prey from kilometers away, this majestic bird dominates the skies. Its attacks on various animals, including humans, highlight its audacious spirit and mastery of the hunt. In the realm of birds, courage is not confined to size or appearance. From swans defending their young to predatory giants like the golden eagle, these fearless birds remind us that bravery takes many forms. As we conclude this exploration, we're left with an appreciation for the audacity and fearlessness that grace the skies and wilderness.